It's Anna from Duomly, and welcome in our 5th episode. Today, I would like to tell you about the tools each programmer should get familiar with, besides the pure programming language and frameworks. When we start learning programming, we are mostly focused on the technology we need to master to get our first programmer job. But it's also important to find out some tools which can help us to set up our development environment in the best way. There are some tools which are worth to learn about to make our work more easy and much more efficient. At first, you need a good code editor, the one that suits your technology and the one which allows you to customize it as much as you want. There are a lot of IDEs in the internet. I can recommend Visual Studio Code. I personally use it and I think it's awesome. I can change the theme, I can install plugins. For me it's perfect. There is also Sublime Text and Atom, which are very popular these days. For example, if you are a .NET developer, then you will use Visual Studio. If you are a Java developer, you will select something like Eclipse or NetBeans. If you are programming in a different technology, then you will for sure find something in the internet. But I would recommend to try a few code editors and select the best one. Another important thing is a terminal in your computer. It would be really nice if you can learn a few commands like how to create a file, how to create a folder, how to move between them. It's also worth to mention that different operating systems has a little bit different terminal. So if you have the possibility, it would be really great if you can try them. Because you never know what kind of computer you will get in your next company, right? The next important thing is Git. You've probably already heard about Git. Git is a version control system and nowadays almost every company uses it. Probably on your interview you will hear the question if you have ever worked with Git. In this context, it's also worth to mention that it will be really nice if you can try software like Bitbucket, GitHub or GitLab. I think they have a possibility to add there a free account and test it. You can test it with your training project and learn a little. The next important thing is a building tool like Webpack, for example, or Maven. Depends on the technology you are using. It will be really nice if you can find out how it works, how to configure it, because it will make your starting process in a new company a little bit easier. And according to my opinion, the last important tool it would be nice for you to try is a task management system. Every company now uses any task management system and it will be really nice if you can try it before going to work because it's much less stress for you if you know most of the software. You can, for example, create a little task when you are doing your training project and put them in something like Asana or Trello or maybe Jira and find out how it works. Okay, I guess I covered the most popular tools you need to get familiar with. It also might happen that you need to use any graphic tool to cooperate with a designer. But usage of software like InVision or Zeppelin or something similar is very easy from developer point of view. Okay, let us know if you like the video and try to set up your own development environment. Subscribe our channel, give us thumb up and leave us a comment. Also, to stay updated and get some more information about useful tools, visit our blog, our social media and our Medium profile. All the links you will find below. I hope I will see you all in the next video. Bye!